Thank you for joining this demo. Today we are going to discuss about our new add-on, which is called DCC Pesa-LinQ. As you can see this add-on here, which is developed for SAP Business One. So the benefit of this add-on is like you create outgoing payments in SAP using the, let's say, M-pesa account or Tigo-Pesa account. It will immediately transfer automatically to the recipient account. Okay, so this automation is very helpful for our customers. Now let's discuss about this in more detail, how it works and how it is going to help us. Okay, so as you can see, this is our SAP Business One. Apart from all these standard modules, you can see our fleet management solution and DCC Pesa-LinQ. So today we are going to discuss about DCC Pesa-LinQ. Now when I click on this, the very first thing we see is DCC Pesa-LinQ connectors. So what does it mean? It means like you can create your connectors, your payment gateway, your it can be like M-pesa, Tigo-Pesa or Airtel Money, etc. So it is very easy to configure. What you need to do is, let's say if your company is using M-pesa account, then you just define M-pesa. Okay, you don't need to define any other connector. But let's say if you use both M-pesa and Tigo-Pesa, then you can define, okay, or any other connector or gateway it can be. So this is very first thing, and then after that what you need to do is, you see when I go to the financials in the chart of accounts, okay, you can see two new things here. DCC Pesa-LinQ account, a tick box and a button called Pesa-LinQ account details. So let's find out how many accounts we have marked as DCC Pesa-LinQ account. So I can see two, M-pesa account and Tigo-Pesa account. So let's pick this one, M-pesa account. Okay, so this is my account. Now you can have multiple M-pesa account. In case if you have, let's say, more than one M-pesa account, then you can easily add one more GL account here and tick that as DCC Pesa-LinQ account and click on this button. So now what does this button do? This button opens up another small window called DCC Pesa-LinQ account setup. Okay, what does it do? It allow you to configure your M-pesa account ID, like your SP ID, SP password, initiator password, and conversation ID. So how do you get this? You will get this from M-pesa. So when you request M-pesa to integrate that with our DCC Pesa-LinQ, they will share these details, and we just need to configure these details here. Okay, so once we define all these settings, those are very easy to set up, then what we need to do, we need to go to the banking outgoing payments and then open outgoing payments window. Okay, now here let's say I want to pay to my drivers or I want to pay to my employees. It is very easy. You click on the account, okay, put the date and choose the account. So let's say I want to pay to my drivers and for overstay, so I choose driver overstay account here. Okay, so this is my account. Now how much amount I want to transfer? Let's say this is for this demo purpose, I would like to transfer very small amount, so let's say 400 shillings. Vehicle ID, I can say T345 TRW. Okay, this is the vehicle registration. You can fill these details, are optional, but I'm just filling this. Okay, now you need to choose either your driver or employee ID by clicking on this choose from list button. Okay, so I'm transferring to this employee. Okay, this is my employee, I choose that. So as soon as I choose, it populates employee ID, employee name and Pesa number. So this is the mobile number, okay, the recipient mobile number. Okay, now what is next thing? I need to go to the payment means. Okay, I need to choose the account from which I want to pay. So in this case, I want to pay from my M-pesa account. I choose that, and here I say copy balance due, which is 400 shillings. I click on OK. So when I click on OK, you can see this prompt message. Okay, our add-on is giving this message. M-pesa account is selected. Choosing this account will trigger DCC PesaLinQ API to send money automatically. Do you want to continue? So once you confirm this, yes, then click on add button. Okay, done. So what is the number? 15205. Okay, I click on add, done. Now what is next? The next thing is that in the DCC PesaLinQ, you can see, you can see DCC PesaLinQ API Manager. Okay, so here I just click on refresh. I can see this is my last outgoing payment which I just created, and I can see the message, this is success. Okay, now it means the money is gone to the recipient. Okay, so you can filter out, let's say I want to see my M-pesa account transactions in the processed ones. So you choose that processed and click on refresh. So this is very helpful, whereby you can see all the transactions in one go, all the failure transactions or the successful transactions you can see, or you can see both, and you can see from a date range that between this date how many DCC PesaLinQ transactions we did, and how many were successful, how many were unsuccessful. And if a transaction is unsuccessful, failed due to some reasons, you can click on this retry and save it, so it will be sent for retry, reattempt. Okay, so now the transaction is successful. I'm waiting for my colleague to share the receipt. Okay, it is gone to this number, so let's wait to receive that. Okay, so my colleague has shared the M-pesa receipt. Okay, so let's see that. If I go to my email, I can see that amount is received 400 shillings, what we transfer from here, and it shows the company account details. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it helps you. Thank you. Bye.